What if I told you that just 10 minutes a day could transform your posture, relieve back pain, and even help you grow taller? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today we're talking about the power of hanging. Yes, just hanging. From a pull-up bar or any stable surface. Let's dive into the amazing benefits of this simple yet powerful movement. Stick around till the end because benefits number 7 might just blow your mind, especially if you are someone who spends long hours sitting. Spinal decompression. Hanging helps decompress your spine. It gently stretches your back, creating a space between the vertebrae. If you have a desk job or experience lower back pain, just a few minutes of hanging can give you instant relief. Better posture. Regular hanging can correct poor posture by strengthening your shoulder and back muscles. It helps reverse the effect of slouching and brings your body back into alignment. Improved grip strength. Whether you are an athlete, a gym goer, or someone who just wants a stronger handshake, hanging daily builds your grip strength, and a stronger grip is a good sign of overall health and longevity. Shoulder health and mobility. Hanging opens up your shoulder and improves mobility. It's an excellent way to reduce tightness and prevent injury, especially for people who lift weights or play sports. Increased height. Yes, hanging can make you taller temporarily by decompressing your spine and improving posture. You can gain up to an inches or two in visible height. It's not about magic, it's science. Core activation. When you hang your body naturally, engages the core to stabilize. Over time, this can help build a stronger, tighter core, especially if you progress to active hanging or leg raises. A stress relief. Hanging may look physical, but it's also mental therapy. It forces you to relax, focus on your breath, and let go. Quite literally, just a few minutes can calm your nerve and refresh your mind. Start with a small, being with 30 seconds, 2 to 3 sets per day. Gradually work your way up to 5 or even 10 minutes a day. Use a pull-up bar, tree branch, or any sturdy structure. You don't need to do it all at once. Break it into chunks throughout your day. Don't jump off the bar. Always come down gently. If you have shoulders injuries, consult a professional first. Listen to your body. Hanging should feel relieving, not painful. So there you have it, the powerful benefits of hanging for just 10 minutes a day. It's simple, effective, and requires no equipment other than a bar and your own body. Try it for a week and see how your body feels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple fitness tips and actually work.